welcome to the Opal shop. This is a nice bit of Boulder Opal, as you can see. Quite a large cut. The rule is set in millimeters and the stone has been matted so that its colors will pop up. And here we have nice rainbow shade just in the corner. The stone itself is mostly lightly green, as you can see. I'm trying to show you different angles so you can see the different colors that pop through. Turning to the side, so we also got a lovely, beautiful green. Look at its shades, blue and green. Here's the back of the stone. Here's the side. A bit more, apologies, a bit more purple here. Here's the top again. It has been pre-shaped and can be finished off as a knife handle. I'll definitely do it, look, it's lovely. Or you can recut it and repurpose it to whatever you'd like from it. A piece of jewellery with the nice bits of shining stone, or whatever you wish, really. Thanks for watching and have a lovely one.